these are two different instances. This other instance just happened like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Well, I did not identify myself. I did not contract with them. I'm not part of the municipality that they're charging me under the code.
Were you the man who's on a YouTube video with the green car?
I'm sorry, say that again?
You the man on the YouTube video with the green car when the cop said, are you going to give me a...
Yes.
Was that you? Okay.
Yep.
Do you remember the next thing the cop said to you? He said to you, am I going to have to place you under arrest?
Let me think. Did he say that exactly? I thought he said something like, if you don't give me your address, I'm going to arrest you. Or if you don't answer my questions, I'm going to arrest you, is what he said. And I said to him, let me get this straight, you're going to arrest me for not giving you my address? And he said, yes, I am. And I said, okay.
And then he said, okay, you agreed. Why didn't you say his water?
You bet I agree. He's got a fucking gun. He's going to shoot me. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. He's got a gun. He's going to shoot me in the head if I don't get out of the car and do what he wants. I mean...
saw the video. The man said, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to have to arrest you. You want me to arrest you? He said, okay. You would say, you know what? Yeah, this is a pretty nice day to be arrested. You know what? Is that an order? Can I take that? Hang on a second. Would you like to place an order with me to be arrested? Oh, lovely. I'd love to.
Okay, granted.
What are you going to do with it?
You can put all those orders and stuff together and say and all that, but the bottom line is I didn't consent to anything, okay? I'm being duressed here. This isn't a contracting process.
This man was on video camera, saw the arrest on YouTube. You better believe that if he ordered me, I'd be placing all kinds of orders when I went before the court. Like, see, he ordered me, and then he ordered me again, this is $10,000 for this order, $30,000 for this order. Oh, he forgot to ask me how much I was going to put. It's like going through the drive-thru at McDonald's. You say, I'll take 2 Happy Meals and 3 orders of fries and a large cup.
Okay, and what happened, I understand that. Now, a lot of people on this show understand that. You can't be ordered around without being paid for it. That's a given. Unless you accept it.
So just
when you try to sue them for it, in these states in the middle, they screw you out of your remedy by keeping you in their private courts. I just noticed the other day on my current criminal charges for disturbance that changed miraculously to others. They morphed into other charges, but I noticed on the paperwork when I bonded, the heading from one court came from the Lancaster County Court in the 3rd Judicial District in lowercase Lincoln, Nebraska. Now, the other paperwork that I got from the Lancaster County Court comes from the Lancaster County Court in Lincoln, Nebraska, or in Lancaster, Nebraska, or Lancaster County, Nebraska. They're two different courts. The one court where my bond is sitting is the Chancery Court. The one court where my case is sitting is the private court.
It's not your case.
Hey, guys. It is too my case. My name's on it and my money's in it.
Hey, hold up, guys. Jack here. Let me bring this back on target. Ron, are you still with me? I'm still there, but if you're heading off in this direction, I'm probably going to go away. No. I want to get back. Ron is my guest tonight, guys. And Karl, like I said, I want you to call me and schedule you on. If you guys, again, I'll give out my information. Get a pencil ready. You want to call me? It's 559 area code 291-6188. My email is Bauer, B-O-W-E-R, secret, S-E-C-R-E-T, Bauer, secret at gmail.com.
All right.
Or you can hit me on my Skype, and the Skype name to get me at is michael.w.golden. Send me a request. I get half a dozen every time we do a show, and I approve them immediately, and we can talk that way also. Anyway, guys, it's great, great information, absolutely. But this is a show I want to do with you, Karl. If you'll be on my show next week, we'll dedicate the whole 2 hours to you, either show. So please.
And by the way, I think it is great information because it is our defense within the court system, and most people have no idea. They just bow down to whatever the court decrees.
But what I'm trying to say to you folks, if you're stylized as the defendant, it is not your case, it's somebody else's case. Who's ever the prosecutor, who's ever built the case against you, it's their case, and you're just one of the pieces of the puzzle for them. You're not. It's not your case. It's not all about you. It's all about the prosecutor. It's not about the defendant. So if you want it to be your case, you have to make a claim against them that they administrated your property without rights, or they interfered with your right to travel, or they did some wrong to you. But as long as you're the defendant, it's their case under their rules, and they're moving through whatever court they wish. Now, if you don't wish to be under upper case private court, lower case private court. You don't wish to do that, you then say, I have the right, under Article 9 of the Bill of Rights, to move it into a common law court of rights. Now, if it's a criminal, it's 6. If it's civil, it's 7. And I have the right to move for a trial by jury. And nobody in the black robe can interpret my beliefs except for the jury. Nobody can interpret my claim or my case except for the jury. That person in the black robe, the clerks of the courts, can't interfere with that process. They're not allowed to look in your case. They're not allowed to read your claim. They're not allowed to do anything.
Karl, if I could, Ron, might he be a good contributor to the articles that you're going to write?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch you.
Might he be a good contributor to the articles that you're going to post?
Very definitely, because we do write from time to time about areas in which people can defend themselves within the court system. But I'm not a lawyer, and I have not been up against it like you guys have, so my background in that area is sorely lacking.
I've been a defendant ever. Anybody ever tried to classify me or categorize me or pin me into the category of a defendant, I've always leaped around and went right after the swooped around, became the prosecutor.
So essentially you're taking an offense position rather than remain as a defendant.
Always, because the only thing I could hurt is another flesh and blood human being. Other than that, there's nothing I could hurt. I can't hurt Coca-Cola, Bank of America, the state of Alabama. I can't hurt anybody but another man. So if any fiction tries to claim, which they can't claim because only man can make a claim, if any fiction tries to file a complaint, a criminal complaint against me, I just flip it around immediately. I say, are you trying to administrate my property without any rights? Oh, because you know what? Only man has rights. Oh, guess what? You have duty, obligations, responsibilities, and liabilities. Not me. I'm a man. I've got rights.
Can I say something here?
Sure.
If a corporation owns property and you damage that property, are you damaging that corporation?
Some man, like a stockholder or the owner of that corporation, would have to come forth and, make a claim.
In the name of that property? In the name of that? In the legal name of that corporation?
He would have to show for inaction of the direct cause of his loss, like a monetary loss or property loss.
You bet.
So again, Ron, getting back to your site.
I'm an attorney.
Great. Yeah, Karl, your stuff is excellent. Ron, getting back to your